This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Model home close out, quick close. Wetherington Homes, Bellhaven model home now for sale. Just move in. Featuring wraparound craftsman front porch, side entry garage. Spacious floor plan west/designer options. Roomy foyer, large dining room west/craftsman trim, open den. Deluxe kitchen west/quartz countertops, gas cooktop, wall ovens, soft close cabinets, includes refrigerator. First floor office/flex room. Hardwood floors, steps. Primary bedroom has huge closet west/custom shelves. 4 spacious bedrooms and loft upstairs. LP smart exterior siding. No neighbors behind home. Fenced yard. Community dog park. Additional quick close homes available. January 17, 2025 from